Disclaimer, it's a fan fiction video, so please don't take it seriously and hint. Dad, daughter, you are my everything, so please don't break my trust. Ryan, trust me, Dad. Mom. She smiled at you proudly because you are the only one daughter. Dad, thank you so much. Smiling at you. Ryan, suddenly your eyes get teary. I'm not a best daughter. I'm breaking your heart and your trust. I'm so sorry, Mom and Dad. In your mind, excuse me, Dad. Dad, okay. Go and take some rest, daughter. He smiled at you. JK, I want that girl angrily. Namjoon, hey, shut up, or else I will slap you, Jungkook. JK, Young, what if she will get Namjoon? Then go and find her first. You did a mistake and you are now regretting for that, huh? Namjoon, that's why I was not letting you to go there. Jin, don't worry, JK, how? He started crying. JK, she was innocent. It was my fault. I'm so sorry. Jin, it's okay. Let's find her. JK, but I don't know her address, her name. What should I do? Jin, but you are a mafia, Jungkook. He laughed at Jungkook. JK, oh yeah. But he got a call from Jimin. Jimin, hello. JK, yes. Jimin, your girl lives in that apartment happily. JK, what? Really? Jimin, bro, she looks so pretty. JK, I know. Jimin, okay, so come fast. We will go to her house. JK, right now? Jimin, yeah. If you want her, then come fast. We don't have time, bro. Jimin, go, bro, go. JK, hey, who is he? Jimin, Omo Jungkook, let's hide here. While saying a handsome man. Jimin, Kim Taeyang, his eyes get widened. JK, he is our new business partner, right? But what he is doing here? Jimin, he is my uncle's son. Fake smile. JK, shut up. Jimin, I also don't know about him, then why are you asking me that what he is doing here and blah blah blah. JK, look, he is going. Jimin, thank God. Now let's go. Van, you are trying to cut your hand while crying in front of the mirror. Van, beautiful life. You are asking yourself again and again. Jimin, hey girl, while standing beside the windows. Van, you look at him. Jimin, Jungkook, she is trying to. His eyes get widened. JK, he immediately came to inside your room and slapped you. Van, you get shocked. Van, you? What are you doing here? Listen, I'm not. Please go. From here. JK, it means you are right. Please don't do this. Please, I'm here for you. Please give me a chance. Fine, first you listen. I don't know who are you. I don't love you. Then how? How? While crying so much. JK, I know that was our fault, but please save this innocent. Van, really? Raising your eyebrows. Van, you don't know how much my mom and dad love me. They blindly trust me. I don't want to break their heart. That's why I don't want to live this life. Please leave me alone. JK, think about this baby too. He or she is my child angrily. JK, you can't do this, glaring at you. Jimin, he became sad because you both are right. Because here you are doing this all for your parents, and second side Jungkook is fighting for his child. JK, this child is innocent. What's his or her fault, huh? Let's go with me. One, I don't want to go with you. JK, trust me, I'm not that type of boy. I know I did mistake, but that was your fault too. Tell me who told you to drink, huh? One, my friends forced me and they told me to talk to you because you were looking very handsome that time. JK, I'm still handsome. One, listen. Now please, go from here. I don't want to talk to you. JK, think about this innocent soul. JK, tears drop from his eyes. One, you look at him. What should I do? You started crying so much. Jimin, his eyes get teary too. JK, I am Jeon Jungkook. I am a mafia. When your eyes get widen. JK, but trust me, I will never hurt you. Ryan, Kim Ryan. JK, great. Please don't do this. We have to save this little life. Ryan, what should I do? Ryan, my parents love me more than anything. JK, I can understand, but I don't want to lose you. And this angel, JK, one day everything will be fine. Ryan, I want some time. JK, trust me, Ryan. Jimin, I wish everything will be fine between them. Jimin, but he heard something. Someone is singing that I wish you could love me again. And coming here. Jimin, oh god, Jungkook, come fast, bro. Jimin, hey Cookie, come fast, bro, angrily. Jimin, again came Taeyang. Omo, let's run, Jimin, say. Taeyang, hey, stop. Jimin, hello, Mr. Kim, while turning to him with his attitude. Taeyang, oh god, Mr. Park, you here? Happily. Jimin, yes, actually, I wanted to surprise you like this, haha. Taeyang, hey, hey, good, good. To be continued.